This video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Ollama using PowerShell. So first here, if I open this place, so command prompt, and now if I write this place pw sh minus minus version, then you can see PowerShell's 7.55 this already installed. Now thereafter here searching PowerShell. So PowerShell 7, let's click this. Thereafter, in the Google search box, write there Ollama, then go on this ollama.com site. So click there. Then you can start building with open models. Open models. And here, this is the command to do the download as well as install. So you need to copy. So here, PowerShell that's already open there. Simply need to paste and press enter. So now downloading Ollama for Windows. So Windows here you can see the status. Currently this 1% that's done here. Downloading Ollama that's 100% that's done. And after that this installing Ollama this also done. After that if I write there Ollama minus minus version, then you can see this here 0.18 that install. Now let's use their CLS command. Thereafter simply write their Ollama. Then you can get this. So start launch. You can launch the Cloudy Code, Codex, OpenClaw, and more. So first they're selecting their start interactive. Here you can select this first, that selecting there, press enter. Automatically Firefox that's open there. This place you can do the login with Ollama account or Gmail or GitHub. So let's use their Google device connected successfully. Minimizing this one and this all done. Let's write there hi. This is now thinking and this here returning this output. So top, you can ask any question, top commands of CMD that uses daily. So top command of CMD that uses daily. This is my question. Now this is thinking, and now this returning cddir and mkdir, rmdir, this copy, this ping, crs, exit, echo, this all. Like this, you can ask any question or there. And this is how we can do the installation of Ollama on our Windows operating system using PowerShell. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.